Hello, I hope you are good and ready to make some money from trading cryptocurrencies. Alright, so welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn the overview of Binance platform, actually using the desktop application. Okay, so not on the mobile phone, we are using the desktop application and also not on the web, but if you look at my screen, this is a browser and I've opened Binance.com, and this is the platform of Binance on the web actually. So what we're going to do is we're going to download the application for the desktop. So if you're using Mac or if you're using PC, you can be able to download the one that is compatible with your system. Okay, so all you need to do is what, come to Binance.com and scroll down, and you find the one for Mac operating system, then for Windows, and then Linux. So if you're talking about Google Play and Android APK, then App Store, these three, 1, 2, and 3, these are for mobile phone, right? We're going to talk about the one for laptop, which is either you are using Mac, you download for Mac. If you are using Windows, you download for Windows. Then if you are using Linux, you download the one for Linux. So we are coming back here. While we are using the system platform, is if you come to the web is actually more sophisticated, right? For not many for beginners, but you can still find your way around here to trade and make some cash. So here we have converting different cryptocurrency, that is under trade, then classic, advanced, margin, P2P, stock, token. Assuming you want to make use of the web, here is mainly where you can be able to trade spot. If you want to trade futures, here you can be able to click and trade futures, and make sure you are registered and logged in first. Okay, so we scroll down to get the app. So I'm using Windows. Click on the Windows, though I have downloaded it already. I'm going to stop it. I don't want to download another version or another new one currently. So I will put it on the download. Okay, so if you look at my download folder, I have Binance already. The Binance setup is here already, so I'm not going to download it anymore. So I'll go ahead and cancel it. So this is the web version, the web platform, and this is the mobile platform. So we are going to go into the web platform and then check different places how you can be able to navigate the Binance app on a system, right? Not on the mobile phone. You get? Alright, so I'll minimize this. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'll open my download folder. If you have downloaded Binance already, so what you're going to do is you install it. As you can see, this is Binance. The app is here. I can be able to install it here and then log into my account and start trading. So you have to install it if you have not installed it on your system already. So what we're now going to do is I'll open it up. Here is already running here. This is Binance app. If I close here, this is not web. I hope you see it here. Is Binance app for our system. So if you are using Mac, you still have the same interface. So we're introducing the overview of the Binance platform, right? So I've shown you how you can be able to download it from the web platform. If you also know how to trade, you can as well trade on the web platform depending on where you want to trade, but I prefer the system platform, which is the app here being installed. And as a new beginners, some new traders also using this version or this platform will also help you to be able to navigate quickly where you want to trade. Okay, so this is actually the home the home. If you come to the home, you can be able to see different advertisements. When you scroll down, also you see another advertisement. Then you see the top coins traded on Binance. The first one is by the BNB token. So you have the Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and the rest. So if you click here, you can be able to see more of them, right? So, and that will take us to the market. So let me go back to the home. This is the home page. So on the home, I've mentioned what and what you can be able to see here. You can also check different news. You can read about the news to be updated, right? So that's it. You can be able to click on any of these. If you click on any of these, you can be able to go straight to trade them. All right, so we go back to the home. Right, so here we have the markets. So the market contains different pairs you can be able to trade together with other currencies. Like if you talk about the BTC market, USDT market. So let's say USDT market here, you can be able to, if you are talking about USDT market, you can use USDT here to buy ETH and so on and so forth, right? So you can be able to select different markets. So we are coming back here to talk about the market and sats. Then the next tab we have buy crypto, and then from the buy crypto you can be able to buy crypto through using credit card or through peer-to-peer. That is peer-to-peer, that is P2P trading. So if you have your card, then let's talk about talking about this. We're going to talk more on that when we talk about funding our wallet, right? So I will explain more on that. So here is where you add up your money from bank or whatever means to your trading account. Then here we have the trade section, or the trade platform mainly, where you now do your buy and selling, right? Where you now buy and sell, and also you see the chart, different sections here. So we're coming back to the trade. We are just explaining the different platform, just an overview, right? So we are coming back to explain it, different sections, one after the other. So then we have another tab called the features. So from the features, you can be able to now trade features. Like you need to be a pro or know exactly what you are doing before you can be able to trade features. All right, so though this training as a whole, and we are not going to learn how to trade features, we are only going to base on how to trade spot and the spot market. So the next one we have the or is talking about, you have your wallet where you see your orders. You can be able to convert from one crypto to another. Probably you have your Bitcoin, you want to convert Bitcoin to USDT, you want to convert Bitcoin to ETH, that is Ethereum. You can be able to do conversion from here. Then here is your Binance, and you can be able to stake. It's mainly you can lock up some crypto and then earn some profits, right? You can as well save here and also earn profit. On the launch pad, here is where some crypto coming up newly, where they can be able to launch the crypto, and you can be able also buy from the launch pad. Then crypto loans, you can take a loan or actually give out a loan from here. Then liquid swap, here you can be able to swap one currency and another. So here is leveraged tokens, where you can be able to enjoy high leveraged trades without being without the risk of being liquidated as such. Then here you have card Binance, they have some card. You can apply for the card and make use of it, and for crypto cards, right? So Binance Pool here is for mainly for mining and all that. Here Battle, here for different competition, trading competition and such. Alright, so when you talk about the wallet, you can see the overview of your wallet. You can search the fiat wallet. You can see your margin wallet. You can see the futures wallet. You can see your P2P wallet, and then service wallet. So when you talk about these different wallets, sometimes some people will deposit money, probably they buy coin from P2P, and then they say, I did not see my fund. They are looking for it from this fiat or so. Do you understand? So you know where exactly your fund is. So when you talk about the wallet is now being divided different places, different sections. You can be, when you are trading sports, all your assets will be here. If you are trading margin, your asset will be here. If you are trading futures, it will be here. If you are trading on the P2P, you can be able to find your wallet or your balance from here. Also, if you are saving, if you are staking and all that, your asset will be here. So we can be able to transfer from one wallet to another. So let's take the spot fiat and spot wallet. So basically, you know what a wallet is. Wallet shows your balance, the balance you have on different coins and all that. So if you look at this, you see the different balance, fiat and spot, the spot balance, fiat balance, and this is talking about in each the BTC value, and also fiat. There's no fiat here. Fiat is mainly stable coins. Alright, so that's it. We have covered the overview, and the next one we are now going to talk about how we can be able to fund our wallet. Alright, so see you on the next lesson, and thank you for watching this lesson so far.